Shako, how to play. The rules are the same as regular chess, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Lay out a 10 by 10 board. On white's third row, set up pawns. On their second, from left to right, set up elephant, rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, bishop, knight, rook, elephant. On their first row, place cannons in the corners. Mirror this setup for black. The cannon moves like a rook, but it does not capture like a rook. Instead, it must jump over exactly one piece from either player, then it continues moving in a straight line and captures the first enemy piece it moves into. The cannon may not capture a piece without jumping over another piece, nor may it jump over another piece without capturing a piece. The elephant moves 1 or 2 squares diagonally, jumping over any piece in its path. Pawns are still allowed their initial double step move option. On passant is allowed like normal. Pawns promote like normal when they reach their farthest row. Pawns are allowed to promote to an elephant or cannon.